burns quietly beneath the stars. Cities disappear beneath dark clouds. Superjets streak through silent space. Warships drift through dark, silent oceans. Tanks advance across ruined terrain. Advanced flying machines sweep overhead, their sleek frames cutting through the sky. Advanced submarines drift through the deep in silent precision. Space machines glide through the void. Warships burst into towering firestorms as the ocean roars and surges, shaken by the violent shockwaves. Armies oversee digital systems while troops advance in synchronized formation. Civilization crumbles as chaos spreads and economies collapse worldwide. Massive data breaches unleash chaos, scamming billions worldwide. Great cities descend into chaos, streets flooded with panic and destruction. Advanced military machines activate as global giants awaken, readying for war. Military studies data on advanced computers, planning. Warships dominate the oceans, firing relentlessly as advanced drones swarm above, and cutting-edge technology coordinates each strike, turning the seas into a relentless, high-tech battlefield. The skies teem with countless drones, casting shadows of fear over every human below. Satellites rain precise strikes from orbit, while advanced military jets streak across the skies, coordinating attacks with unstoppable efficiency, turning the battlefield into a high-tech war zone. Fighter jets strike with precision as explosions light the skies. Massive warships fire missiles and launch drones, dominating the oceans. Advanced military machines coordinate attacks, turning battlefields into chaos, while humanity watches in awe and fear. Massive AI-controlled drones soar above. Robotic dogs patrol streets, and smaller scout drones sweep the area, analyzing every movement with precision. Data servers are hacked. Power grids erupt in sparks, and global intelligence systems spiral into danger. AI monitors and controls the world. AI robots dominate. Chaos everywhere, as explosions and chaos engulf every city, marking the final collapse.